Good morning, sir. My name is Kanam Mohan Marwaha. I'm from second year mechanical engineering. My batch is ME1 and my roll number is 1019080023. Sir, I have opted the project of contactless hand sanitizer dispenser, uh, and in this project I had made a circuit at using software Tinkercad, uh, uh, which I will simulate to show how my project will work. First of all, the in the circuit, I have used Arduino Uno ultrasonic sensor code HC-SR04 and a micro servo motor, and I have connected them according to my coding, using jumper wires. Now the code is, initially I have declared the pin numbers for uh, eco, trigger and servo motor. I have declared two variables, duration and distance. I have declared that trigger pin will be output, eco pin will be for input, and other declaration showing the serial value for my computer 9600. Now initially I have uh, um, made the trigger pin low for 2 microsecond, then it has been made high for 10 microsecond, and uh, through this part of code I have calculated the distance uh, of the body from the ultrasonic sensor, and it will be showed on serial monitor. Now the next part of my code is for the micro servo motor. Through this part of the code, I have declared that whenever the distance is less than 15 centimeter from the ultrasonic sensor, my servo motor will be in a high state, and it will get a signal and it will work. It will move with 45-degree angles every time, and it will go from 0 degree to 180 degree, and after completing from turn from 0 to 180 degree, it will wait for 3000 microsecond, that is for 3 seconds, so that the next person in line who has to wash his her hands can wait. Now I will simulate my code. Initially I will show the values on serial monitor. Program is initializing. As we can see that distance is less than 13 centimeter, the servo motor is working. And if I increase the distance, that is, now we can see that distance is about 75 centimeter, stable at 74 centimeter, and it is not less than 15 centimeter. Therefore, the servo motor is not moving. Now I will again decrease my distance. Now the distance is 8 centimeter and the servo motor is working again. Now I have increased the distance, therefore it is not working. Hence, in this way, sir, I had made my project. Thank you.